Welcome to Talur Investments. Let's start with Bank Nifty analysis for 24th March 2021. Today it has moved from 33,670 to around 600 points. Last week it was falling continuously. And do you think the trend has reversed now? My answer is no. Unless it breaks this point, that is 35,150. It is bearish. You should be able to see selling pressure at higher levels. Even though you see a triple bottom formation, if you observe carefully, the support 1 has been broken by support 2 and support 2 has been broken by support 3. That does not mean it is a triple bottom formation. So you need to be careful here. For tomorrow, what I expect is Bank Nifty will be flat or range bound and there will be selling pressure above 34,500 range. Somewhere here there will be some selling pressure. Coming to the Nifty, we have seen continuous fall last week and we see a good rise from this point, that is 14,350. Still I see it as a bearish unless it breaks this level 15,050. You can see long wicks formation here. That means the price is trying or attempting to go higher, but there is selling pressure mounting. For tomorrow, I expect market to be flat or range bound and selling pressure will be above 14,870, that is this level. Coming to intraday charts for tomorrow, we have taken first stock as escorts. See, escorts we have resistance 1, resistance 2 and long wick here. So we expect it to fall tomorrow. So we have stop loss at high of this point, that is around 1382 and target will be 1359. Well, that is around here. First target is a small target and second target is 1343. That will be around here. Our second stock is HCL Tech. So we are seeing some lot of selling pressure at these levels. Stop loss will be high at this high point of this, so 995 and target will be 968. That will be our first target and second target will be around 954. Our third stock is Tata Chemical. We are again seeing selling pressure here and we also have a resistance here. So for tomorrow this might fall with the stop loss at 767. So target will be 759, that will be here and second target will be 747. And last stock will be in Tech Mahindra. We again see there is a resistance point here, so there is selling pressure mounting here. So we have stop loss at this point, that is 1025 at the high of this point and target 1003 and 988, that is this level. I have put all the calls in this table format for easy reference for you. And if you like this video, please do click on the red button below and subscribe. Also like and share this video with your friends. This channel is for educational purposes only. Any profits or losses made, the author or Talur Investment is not responsible. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.